Here are the steps you need to follow to trade crypto inside of Interactive Brokers. First, in your watch list over here, go inside and figure out which crypto you want to trade. To do this, click in the area there, type in crypto. You're going to bring up a search bar and showing you everything here that's offered in the Paxos partnership with Interactive Brokers for the cryptocurrency products. Select the one you want to have and add it to your watch list. Let's go with Bitcoin in this example to get it started. We can also add Ether in here if you know what the sign is already. And we'll go Litecoin as well, just to have some in our watch list. Once you have your cryptocurrencies listed in your watch list you want to trade, click on one of them. Let's use Bitcoin in this example and go and place a trade. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you could go to the buy option right here. If you have some in your account ready, you click on the sell option to sell them. But let's go through an example buying right here. Let's go in and update our quantity here. If you put an amount there, let's say of $5,000 USD, it's going to update the quantity of Bitcoin that you will be able to buy with that $5,000 given the current market price in US dollars. Apply and close that. You can either have a limit or a market order. To understand what those two are, the differences between them, make sure you check out this video right here. It explains it in full depth in that card. Let's do limit order for now. The limit price is right there. And then you either have to go minutes or IOC to execute the trade. Let's go minutes right here. Then we're going to click on submit to get the little pop-up window before we make our trade official. And if you get this invalid account error, I'm going to show you how to take care of that in a second and get your trading permission set up to have this go through no problem. Right now, we can see that the amount we're going to buy there is around $5,000 minus the fees, which are very minimal for buying Bitcoin on this platform. These are also going to all update once this becomes a valid account. And this is just going to be your account size, different margin requirements. You would click transmit to submit the order. It would then go into your order builder right here. But because I don't have this account set up yet, it's not showing us how to do this. And if you have this error in your account, it's because your trading permissions are not set up properly. So let's go through and add those to our account to make sure we can do this. And this will actually work nice and smoothly. So to do that and find the trading permissions that you need, we need to go up here to account, scroll down to set trading permissions. And there is a limited amount of countries that can actually trade crypto in Interactive Brokers. Canada does not happen to be on that list where I am, but we have a workaround for that to show you how this actually works and get you the information that you need. So in here, you have trading permissions for everything else you want to see, stocks, bonds, whatever future options. We want crypto in here, and we can see that it's not currently in here. What you want this to look like in here is this. You want to have this. This is straight from Interactive Brokers area there on the help page. This cryptocurrency right down here, you want to edit this, your cryptocurrency. That will give you the ability, once you're cleared, to trade crypto. You're going to have to sign an agreement with Paxos, the customer agreement as well. And you're just going to have to go ahead and sign it on there and click continue. Then it's going to give you some risk documentation. Make sure you understand those. And you're going to have to go ahead and just update your permissions and your years of experience in trades. The kind of workaround for this is just kind of keep doing it until it gets approved. You have to keep bumping it up. That's the way it has to be. They don't give you the kind of cut and dry what has to be to go ahead and do it. And they say there 24 hours until it could be approved in your account for trading. Thank you very much. Trading permissions are submitted when you go through and do this to enroll in crypto. But that's the one you want to look at right there. Cryptocurrency, basic crypto. If you're not sure if your account is able to trade crypto, if you go in your trading permissions and this isn't there, it will not be able to trade it in your country. Unfortunately, I'm in that same boat through Canada. I trade it through a different platform entirely. Now, if that goes through and it still gives you this error when you're going to make your trade, and you want to still go ahead and do this, and it doesn't let you go through, you may not have the market data on. So you have to make sure you have the market data subscribed for Paxos as well. To do that, you need to go in here, account. Okay, we'll close this down, account. We want to go into market data, subscribe to market data research. This window pops up and you can see the different market data subscriptions I'm currently having in here. You want to make sure this one here, the Paxos cryptocurrency, is on there. The fee is waived. This just gives you the live data for the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price, Litecoin price. Make sure you have the Paxos cryptocurrency on. If you don't see this in your account right now, you can go and add it by going to the market data subscriptions there, clicking on this little gear icon and configuring them, going through searching this area that's going to pop up in a second and clicking on the one you want to go ahead and use. You can search for it, or you can go through this drop down by the other, and the subscriptions for Paxos cryptocurrency is in here. Just check that box on to make sure that you have it in your account and you're getting real-time data for your Bitcoin, crypto, other kind of product pricing. So that is finding the crypto to trade, actually putting the trades in, setting your trading permissions, and getting your market data set up so that you have the real-time stats for this price right here to update. If you do need more information, still there's a great resource online, Interactive Brokers frequently asked questions about crypto. I'll put the link to this in the description for this video. All the different kind of questions you could possibly have about crypto in the Interactive Brokers platform are right down here. Go through it if you have other questions, or you can always come back and shoot me a question, Andrew@tradingoptionsdaily.com. I will do my very best to get you the answers that you need. That is crypto trading inside Interactive Brokers in a nutshell. Do these steps to get set up, and hopefully your crypto trading goes very well. Subscribe to the channel if you got some value here today. And if you want to know more about how to set trading permissions for other things like stocks, stock options, futures, bonds, anything else besides cryptocurrency, make sure you watch this.